Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Household of Faith. And we thank you for joining us today for the gardening series. What you're looking at is part of the front porch, and it has quite a few plants on a stand. And we're going to be talking about these that I'm having you see. Most of these plants are going to be overwintered. That's going to be interesting. Um, from the top, what's climbing the top is a sweet basil. I had to tie it down because, as you guys know, we relocated to Colorado last winter and well, last fall actually. And this is the first summer here, and as you can see, sweet basil, and then on the to the left and below it, celery. Doing good. I have been really enjoying the celery, and next to it is Trader Scantia. Um, it's in the they call them Purple Heart. They call them all kinds of things. And then below that are two coleus that are going to be overwintered. Um, on the very bottom there's two different species. I've already cut some of these two that you can see to take to a friend on Saturday at our fiber artist group, and because she wants to try and grow them into a tree. And I was like, well, that's great because I do want to overwinter, and I'm also going to be trying to grow them because I love them, and I do not want to have to buy them again. I mean, every year, buying the same thing. So the middle section will stay on the bottom. Okay, some caladiums or caldiums. Um, and in the cups, there's onion, mint, and basil. Um, you can't see it, it's kind of behind the big thing of caldiums, but it is a lemon basil back there. I propagated it and gave some of it away. I only have one actual plant left. Next shelf, I do not know the name of these beautiful little red flowers. I need to look it up. Uh, more, more herbs next to it. Onion, chives, mint, basil. There's a spider plant behind there, which belongs to our nephew. And then more caldiums and mint. So that one on this shelf, friend gave to me. The one on the bottom shelf, I grew from the bulbs. So then we have the top shelf where that sweet basil is. There's a French breakfast radish there in front of it. The teal container has got curly parsley, some cilantro, and Italian parsley in there. I'm always picking out of that food. In the back, onions, front mint. Next shelf, um, more coleus, another two, the green and then the other kind of maroon one. They're all getting propagated. There's a Mactalis, which I just got from my friend, and It's not happy, but it'll recover. Bottom shelf peppers. Um, oh boy, I forget the name of that bush. I just got it. And then my nephew's basil, and then the dogwood bush, which I want to overwinter. As a matter of fact, if it survives the winter, I plan to grow it inside, keep it, you know, restricted. And then another um, coleus, which is going to, is flowering, and another thing of veggies that I'm growing over there. So this is what we've been doing. This is just one show. It's just too many. Now, a lot of the stuff here, there's a couple things I grew from seed, and well, pretty much everything I have. The celery was one I got from a celery stalk that I bought in the grocery store. And the coleus were, of course, little plants. All the herbs I grew from seed or bulbs from onions, things like that. But this is what we're working on. I'll give you an update on the other ones. This is just right here, and trust me, it is very hot in that sun. Wind is blowing nicely, but it's hot, trust me. There's some other things that I'll show you guys next time. Because this porch area is split up into three sections, and then I have the outside in the yard that I'll tell you what we're doing there. And I'll see if I could get the name of that those red flowers. I got them; they were $1. They're on the clearance rack for $1, and I said, okay, well, we'll see what they do, and they have done. So don't forget to check us out on our Facebook gardening group, In Time Urban Gardenings. But now that YouTube has this little feature where you can have your own community, I am going to go ahead and open that up for a discussion. And that way, when someone has a different way of doing it, a better way, something that works for them, they can post there, and we can have a good conversation about what's going on. And you can actually upload pictures in that community. So that sounds good to me. All right, well, I thank you so much for um, checking us out. Sorry, I haven't made a lot of videos, and it I I keep telling myself I'm gonna do better, but the uh, internet up here is very, very sorry about that. Trying to reposition this. It's very iffy. I mean, the Wi-Fi is just sometimes I just have no bars. So, um, but I'm gonna do better. Thank you guys for watching. Please comment. I'd love to have you like the video, push the notification bell, and of course subscribe to the channel. And there are thousands of channels out there, and we're just talking about plants. It's not about the people, it's about the plants. So, God bless you guys, and we'll see you next time.